Hey everyone! Welcome to Day 5 of my 100 Days 100 JavaScript projects. Today, I'm building a super cool and colorful to-do list app from scratch. First things first, I created a new project folder and named it ThoroughList. Inside that, I made three files: index.html, style.css, and script.js. Boom! Setup done. Then I jumped into the HTML. I built the basic structure: a heading, an input box, an add button, an empty list for the tasks, and a clear all button at the bottom. It looked boring at first, but don't worry, magic was coming soon. Next, I styled everything in my style.css. I picked soft, happy colors like peach and pastel pinks, kind of like Candyland candy. I gave it rounded corners, shadows, and a clean layout. Suddenly, the boring app turned into something cute and fabulous. Gear. Then came the brains. I wrote all the JavaScript logic by hand. I made it so that when I type a task and click add, it appears below. I can mark it as done by clicking it, delete it with a cross mark, and even store the tasks in local storage so they stay after refresh. Finally, I added a clear all button to wipe out the list in one click, like a boss. And that's it. My to-do list app is complete, fully functional, mobile responsive, and pastel beautiful. I built this from scratch using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I loved every second. If you liked this project, stick around. Tomorrow I'm building a BMI calculator. Day 6 is going to be awesome.